Hello everyone out there. I'm Pastor Fidelix. I'm so excited to talk to you this hour. The Lord is doing a whole lot of things in our assembly, prayer partners assembly, where destinies are being changed. God said to Prophet ITJ, the visionary of prayer partners assembly, He said, bring my people from darkness to light. And every once in a month, you gather them and let them praise me, and I'll move in their midst. And this month of July, we had our vigil tag, a night of spiritual recovery and restoration. It was awesome. Everyone was
awesome. It was powerful, and we are using this opportunity to invite you to our August edition, which is the night of breaking financial hardship. It's going to be awesome. It's going to be powerful. You're going to feel the presence of God breaking financial hardship in our midst. I want to invite your brother, your friend, your sister to be part of it. Don't leave anyone at home. God Almighty will bless you as you come.
Bàbá wa sọ sáyé mi, sọ àṣẹ sáyé mi, sọ kìkì ọ̀rọ̀ kan, ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń gbani, bàbá sọ sórí mi, sọ àṣẹ sáyé mi.